what's in this box today. So, look at this. Let's see. Let's turn it. And let's see. A lot of colors. These are alphabets. And this is A, B. So it's ABC crayon. ABC alphabet cards. The kids will love these. And we have numbers. These are important numbers because they teach kids how to say some numbers right too. And we have a crayon box. That is a very nice crayon box. And we have we have Leah use the potty. This is called Leah use the potty. So look what's in this page. See this? See? And on this pages, Leah. This is about Leah. Leah. And look at all these pages. Look at all of this. I don't know what's going on with this, but and see all the things that Leah do. Maybe you can come out with your own book like this. They have words. See? And they have a joyness of Leah. She's joy. See the daddy, Leah. Leah's happy. Everything about Leah is in here. This is not about like Leah, got 7, all of that stuff. That can't be it. That is. Do you think people would know that book if it was like so much different characters? No. You have to make it one character and make it all the same because look at all of this. See all of these? This is called Leah. This is what about Leah. Leah. And we also have more books about Leah too. See all of this stuff? There's backgrounds. There's animals. There's blue background. Everything about Leah is in here. But they make it the same clothes, the same everything about Leah. This is about Leah. This is about like this. Look at all ABC book. A, B, C. And this has the letter K. So look at all this. Look, you trace the A and no one's for A. Apple, ant. See? And you get to trace it. Look, big line down, across. Now I'm going to show you how to do it by yourself. Big line down, across. A little circle and a big straight line. A little straight line, actually, just little. And we have V and C. Bike, ball, those two sound B, so you circle that. And do you know how to make this B? Look, you go down and boom, and boom. Down and boom, and boom. And then you do it all the way by yourself. This is how you make a lowercase one. Straight line down and a big circle. Straight line down and a big circle. That's how you make a lowercase b and an uppercase b. Do you know? This is how you make an uppercase C. A big Q and curve and another little curve, a little curve. And this is a cat and this. This is letter D. Look at all this fun stuff. This is also be about stuff like this is like a uppercase D, a straight line down, and a big round. Let me see what big line, straight. Big line, circle. Big line, circle. So that's the book. Now another book. I have a lot of more books. This is this is dinosaur. So there's a lot of dinosaurs. Are you Edward? Ooh. Yes, one of my sight ones. Mine. So let's see. Let's show the dog how to get to the board. Done. And now this one. See, you have to trace. This is a lowercase a, like I taught you already. You make a big straight line, a little straight line, a round circle, and this is, and you keep doing it over and over again. And this is how you, this word. This is how you make a lowercase h. And this is how you do a lowercase e, a lowercase r, and then you do it all over again. And you do it, and then this is just like my, you trace my, and you write it, and you do all the writing and fishing and all of this stuff. You might see some of these sight words before, because you have them in school too, and I have saw them before. I see whatever you like. I see whatever you like. Mommy, look. I see, I don't know.
Cat.
I see a cat. This is about numbers. You have to learn your numbers for short, just like this card. Number. And we just did an ABC one, yeah. So like, you have like, wait, and this is about numbers, and this is, so you trace, you do all of these, and you learn how to spell all of this. You learn how to spell 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And this is about shape. Shape. And look at all of this. I saw that already. And look. So look. Red is for tomato. So tomatoes are red. And you 1, 2, 3. And B, blue, umbrella, and you do same thing. You do the same thing, trace, color, and you do it all again. All again. And now we're all dead. Now let's put these back in the box. Let's start with the books. The yellow is in here. And this. All of these were nice. So we got all of these. So we're just gonna put all of these stuff in. And then you can close on the box. You can close up the box. So I'll just squish it down a little bit. And now we're all done. See you later.